Hello, we are here in Milan in Louis Vuitton boutique. I would like to know something about the project. So if you can explain us your project.
Okay. A few years ago, Louis Vuitton asked me to work with them for the Nomad collection, and they said it should be a travel thing. You should be able to carry it on your own, and it should be foldable if it's too big or whatever. So I've been working on a chair that you could take outside to go to the beach or whatever, and it's foldable. It's actually a bag and a chair. It's meant to go out for just one afternoon or something like that. You can put things in your bag. You can close it like this. You can carry it on your back, and you can go out, and then you fold it out, and you have a chair. That's the idea.
Yeah, you're very young. So what's the process? How could you reach the education as you are now? So your level of design.
Okay. First, you need to graduate at the Design Academy in Eindhoven with a project. In my case, it was smoke. Then you exhibit every year a few collections in Milan, which kind of has the attention as well. Be totally stubborn and do it all exactly the way you want it to be, and then other people are also going to ask, like, hey, that's nice stuff. Would you like to do that with us as well? And then Louis Vuitton comes as well, and then you can do it like that. It was totally not my plan to do it like that. There are more all kind of side effects, but if you ask it like that, how do you do it? Well, this is the way how it happened to me.
Yeah, definitely, very interesting. And what is the travel for you? What does travel mean for you?
Oh, I thought you said trouble, but you mean travel.
Travel.
Sorry. Yeah, well, travel for me, there are two things. Since I also travel a little bit for my work, of course, that's totally different kind of travel. That's just very functional, just to go from A to B. I just had a big trip in India, actually. I've been there for a couple of months, and then I'm not really the type of person to kind of get my backpack and go from one hostel to the other, or so. That's not. I like to go somewhere, to stay there a couple of weeks or something like that, discover it a bit, taking it very easy, and then go to next station, so to say. And that's how I did it in India. But I also really like to travel just within Europe, and mainly no airplanes. I don't like airplanes, and so that does take away the romance of traveling for me. I prefer to go either by train or a bicycle or
Pluto nomad.
Yeah, definitely.
And coming back to the product, what about the materials and the technique? So how could the technology, how could you combine technology with the purpose of these objects? So which are the materials, and how could you combine the tradition of Louis Vuitton with the technology of the tissue?
Well, actually there are two specialisms, so to say, combined here, because of I made my clay furniture. Probably you know it, the clay things, and that's handmade just by squeezing the clay, and then it's finished. And well, that became kind of a product that's known, and I made a lot of different variations with it. Louis Vuitton, of course, has everything in leather. Besides that, they also have other materials, but leather is their focus. And actually, those two things are combined here in this product, because of the frame is actually made with my clay technique. You can even see the kind of irregularities by the handmade. I did it on purpose, a little bit more irregular than possible, because I like it to make it a bit kind of a natural feel. And then we work with Louis Vuitton on the leather and the canvas straps. The canvas is lighter than we need to carry the thing, so it needs to be lightweight. So we used canvas instead of leather, and as where we could. So that's how we collaborated.
That's interesting. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.